In this video, I'm going to be teaching how to extract sound from any video, TikTok video, Instagram video, any video on your phone. How to extract sound and add it to your video in CapCut app. So first of all, you are going to tap on this audio showing below. Once you click on the audio, you click on sound, then you click on extract audio from video. Once you click on extract audio from video, any video you tap, the sound of that video will be extracted. Let's say I tap this video, the sound will be extracted. The sound will be showing below. Can you see this last extracted sound? Just click on it and that's it. Let's say you want to extract sound from video you imported. Okay, let me add a video here. Let me add this video to the timeline. Once you want to extract the sound on this video, let me delete this first audio first. So if you want to extract the sound on this video, you click on the video, you scroll. Once you get to this point, you see extract audio. Click on this extract audio. The audio from this video is now extracted. As you can see, play it.
Yo, so hi guys.
As you can see, if I move this audio to the beginning of this video, you see that it's
hi guys, man, not easy, and today I'm going to be showing you how.
That's just how to do it. Very simple and easy. If you're able to learn something from this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel because it really helps us a lot. Thank you. See you on the next one.